Final blind installations. Finally. It's a dark day today, so my eyes have to be bright. So welcome back guys to our channel. As we said to you before, you probably will watch other videos. We had a final blind installation to install and it came yesterday, and I'm going to try to put it up before I go to work. So let's see exactly what we've got to work with here. If I can get the box, that is. And super glue it. There you go.
They came bubble wrapped. The last ones didn't come bubble wrapped.
Yeah, this is supposed to be a bit slightly different from the ones we had before. This is supposed to be a bit posher. Okay. I can't help myself. I have to do this.
I know, everything I buy, him and Riaan are always popping.
It's like once you touch it, you have to pop it.
Once you pop, you can't stop. It's strangled then.
I'm breaking. I'm hoping this will be quick.
Well,
because I'm hungry. And the kids are not awake as yet, so it's nice to do it before they wake up.
yeah.
Okay, so it should be straightforward as the other ones.
They really bubble wrap these ones. That's see when you actually go premium, guys. I guess.
So you have to pay more money for a little bubble.
Well, yeah. Well, they want to protect them more because they're not. They're more expensive compared to the basic ones that we last bought.
Jeez. So it's bubble wrap inside the bubble wrap. Blinds to go in ramping, are they?
Yep.
Come on. And there's more tape.
And then there's even a cardboard. Oh no, that is the blind. I thought they had it in another box in there.
Okay, this is different from the one we had before. Why is it so long?
What do you mean? Oh, the bracket.
Yeah. It's a different type of brackets.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Oh boy.
So we thought it would be quick. Oh guys, basically these type of blinds, they appear like the slatted blinds, but they're actually the roller blind. So you can have an effect where it looks like you've got them open and it looks like you've got them closed, but it's actually all fabric. So I can't actually wait to see how that works. Maybe that's why there's a different type of bracket.
I need scissors.
We need scissors.
Yeah, I don't think this is going to be as simple as I would hope it would be.
No. I was actually looking forward to the neighbours not being able to look in while you're gone today. Because, you know, I need daylight sometimes, but sometimes I don't want to have the curtains way open.
Okay, so we've got the curtain. I should have read it because the instruction comes, you have to download the instruction online.
Oh, but because you thought it was the same as the others, you haven't.
Yeah,
You should have known once it says download. Boy,
no, the other one you have to download as well.
No, it came with it.
No, I printed it off.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So, we're in trouble then. Right guys, so we're going to have to get the instructions and get back with you.
Yeah, so by magic, we're going to have the instruction and we're going to know what to do. Alright? Boom! Literally just fly my hands just like that. Wow, magic is good. Yeah, so I've figured out what to do now. I have figured it out. I had no help.
I say nothing.
You just said I'll say nothing. You just gave it away.
The word nothing. I'll say nothing.
No, but nothing implies that you did something.
No.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be doing this, isn't it?
Yeah. So what did you find out?
How to do it? I'll show you.
Oh.
So I'm gonna need drill to bore some wood. Power. I've got the power. So this goes so. Yeah. Ready, hon?
The question is, are you ready?
For what?
The blind installation?
Okay. Yeah, man.
That means you're not. Are they grey?
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to say, well, I didn't want white.
These are grey. Do they even do what we wanted to do? I know.
What?
Doesn't fit.
Don't say it doesn't fit. Does it not fit for real? Are you being serious?
It doesn't really fit.
Darling, it wasn't to go on there. It's to go inside the window.
So I don't need no. You don't need thingy for this then.
What?
Hole plug. In wood, you don't put hole plug in wood.
Is it wood?
Yeah.
I don't think it's wood.
That's wood.
What I mean is, that is, what's the material now?
No, that's wood.
No.
That's not even MDF.
No, not MDF, friend. You wouldn't put MDF on windows, they'd swell up.
Yeah, that's mahogany. You know what mahogany is? But what might happen, these screws that they gave for it might be just too long for the window itself. Yeah, it's gonna go straight through. Well, I don't know, it's still enough. I've actually had wall plug thingy, which I don't need. Need a wood one to get in there. Yeah, I can't get on this too big or something. Too big. The good thing about these ones is you can't really get it wrong to put it up there because they just slide over and slots in. So even if you put it, no matter where you put it, it will hold it. If you get what I mean? Obviously, if you put it too far, it can't hold it. But if you put it too close, it can hold it. So I'm just gonna be boring hole anywhere I want to bore it.
You better not.
What? I am gonna be doing that. Can you see me?
Can you see me now?
Can you see me now? It says to put this protruding out, isn't it?
What do you mean by out?
As in,
Show me what you mean by out. If you.
as in out, protruding out.
Yeah. I should have taken the curtains off, really.
Should have, isn't it?
Yeah.
Too late. I'm gonna be protruding out, in the out.
Does it fit exact in that hole? Not in the hole in the.
By the curtain?
Yeah.
Yeah. It fits. Stop banging on the window.
The what?
The window.
The window. I'm not being funny, but I don't think that's patois.
No, it's not. It's
They don't say
English.
window. That's not English either. Here we go again. Have you done it?
Yeah, I bought the hole.
That was quick.
It was a quick hole. Okay. I think I might have to put the screw bits in the drill. So this is going to take long to get in.
Oh, so, yeah. Are you sure you don't want to use wall plasters? I don't want to be sitting down.
No, this you don't put wall plugs in wood, darling.
I don't want to be sitting down, right? And then all of a sudden, boom!
Nah, you don't put wall plugs in wood. Ask anyone.
But is it wood?
Bob, this is wood.
Are you sure?
You can smell it.
It's shiny.
Yeah, obviously there's glass there.
That's not glass, man.
You can smell the wood. It's just drilled into it. You can smell it.
What I mean is this, I can't remember the name of the material right now.
The only different type of wood is MDF, and this is definitely
No, not MDF. MDF is not what I'm talking about. MDF is like cardboard. I'm talking about. It's alright. I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna write it in when I do.
I still need the drill.
So get it then. In it right there.
I have to change the bits,
in
innit?
the drawer. See it there?
I have to change the bits. And that's not.
Right there.
Maybe. Oh boy. They get hot.
So, how have we got on now then?
That first bit is up there.
Okay.
So,
Just the second one now.
yeah.
What is? Oh, okay. It's a sticker
Oh, yeah.
on the window.
I love stickers.
So the window's still new, yeah.
Yeah.
At least we'll be able to see you properly on this side. Because it's so bright outside. You know. Oh, that was quick.
This should be really quick.
It should
If
be.
nothing goes wrong,
Theoretically.
then it'll be the quickest blinds we've ever installed. But see it? Start already.
Drop. It's because you opened your mouth and said, if nothing goes wrong, drop.
I say you chat too much. That's what you're thinking, ain't it, darling? Yes, that's what you're thinking.
Yeah.
No?
It would be very boring and lonely if you didn't talk.
Oh no, come on, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to cheat a bit. Because this is taking way too long.
Technically it's not cheating, this is 2020 and people use electricals to do these things. We don't need to do it manually anymore.
See, exactly. It's 2020, man.
Life's good.
But I hope the drill don't slip and break the glass.
Listen, remember the time we almost broke the window? Oh my
Who's
gosh.
we?
It's we, you and me.
Who's we?
Me and you, you
No,
and me.
I went outside. Are you trying to lock me out? You slammed the door and break the oh, is that what you're talking about? When you break the...
Yeah.
Was it a clock that was up there?
Yeah, there was a glass clock.
We thought it was the glass door that was broken.
All we could see was glass underneath the window.
Bash! After she slammed the door. And we were looking around like, what was that?
And where did the glass come from?
Why is there so much glass on the floor? What was that? It took us a little while to figure out it was a clock that broke.
It's like, oh, the clock's no longer on the wall.
That you actually broke the clock?
No, I didn't break it, it was you. So if you weren't so silly, I wouldn't want to lock you out.
I went outside to get some fresh air. And you locked me outside the house.
Well, it was an opportunity, isn't it?
Ah, see, I tried to get rid of me. I knew it. That's it. Alright. Please work, please work, please work.
It should work.
Please, please.
I mean, okay, so literally should theoretically.
Oh boy.
What?
I can't.
Remember to push it into the back first.
Yeah.
You're gonna say shut your mouth, didn't it?
No.
Did you clip your finger into it? Why would you do that? Why?
Well, obviously it's not on deliberate purpose.
On deliberate.
Accidentally, deliberately.
They're up. They're up. They're up, and I think it works. Only thing I would say, love, is can you slide it that way a bit more?
Yeah,
the curtain covers this side, but that side's not closed to the window.
No problem. That's as far as over it goes. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. It's only a small gap, but you know I'm fussy. Wow! Look at that, guys. See what I mean? It looks like it's slatted blinds. So, ooh.
Ooh, I think it's cool.
Really?
Alright.
Can you do it some more? Let me see you do it.
Can you do it some
Come on,
more?
demonstrate it. Come on, I want to see. Wow!
Boom, bang.
All the way down, Rohan.
Yeah, no.
I can't wait because you moved away.
Boom, bang, bang.
Come on, hurry up, hurry up. See, now they... Wait, stop. This is the demonstration part. Now, do it a little bit more so it looks like it's closed. Because right now you can see through...
By getting it over a bit more.
Yeah. Right now you can see through the gaps.
Should I bring that one a bit over?
Would that make a difference? I doubt it because it slides, isn't it? So it wouldn't make a difference, would it? Or is it because that one's too far to the edge?
Because that one stopped.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bring it a bit over then.
It's long though.
Alright, forget it. Just leave it for today. Another day.
Yeah, I'll yeah. I can see what you mean by the gap here. I could literally bring that a bit more, but
it's
I'm going to work soon, and I'm hungry.
Ever so slight. Wait, can we...
Okay, well, put it back up.
Oh, Lord, no.
Reverse the thing, reverse the thing.
No.
Forward,
right,
forward.
Leave it there, leave it. Right, so right now, it looks like they're completely closed because there's a layer of fabric behind that blocks it out. So then, I can't see you out there. Anyway, now I'll do it again so that it opens up.
Oh, back up?
There. See? So now we have halfway where we can see outside.
Let there be, and there was.
Light.
Alright,
so that's how that part goes. So now we're going to get on to putting the next one up. We won't suffer you for that bit.
So by magic, we will have this one up as well, and in the same position as this.
Exactly.
Alright, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Boom. Bang. Connect. It's been connected. All up. And good to go, as in blinds to go.
Yeah.
So, it's all up. Looking good. The wife likes it. What do you think, honey?
I love them. Beautiful. Can you demonstrate how they look?
So a bit of demonstration. So let's go up with it.
Wow.
It takes
long to see how they interlink to make it look open and closed like static blinds would.
So do the other one?
Yeah, do the other one.
Oops, wrong line.
Beautiful. So we can literally still be able to go outside without disturbing the blinds.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
And there is light. So
By magic.
thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, share, like, subscribe. Make sure you press it. I'm actually watching you. Make sure you press it. Have you done it? Thanks. Good. You haven't done it, you know. I can see you. Make sure you do it.
We see you.
I can see you.
We see you.
I can see you.
Just press it.
Peace out, guys. Bye.
Bye.